You tell Mommy what the letters are. What's that?
A.
Good. What's that one? What's that?
X.
Yep. M. And what's that one?
X.
That's right. This is not the best way to do it, but okay. What else do you see?
B.
Good.
O.
Good. What else?
L.
Good.
That's
How about this one?
D.
Yeah. How about... What's that one? What does Daphne have?
A.
A. Yeah. What does Mommy have?
X.
Good girl. What is this one?
2.
Q. Good. How about this one?
D.
J. Good job. How about this one?
P.
Good. How about this one?
I.
I. Good. How about
Have
headband?
Red.
Yep. Yep. How about this one?
B.
P. Good. How about this one?
Y.
Good. How about this one?
A.
You have A? Yes, you do. What does Mommy have?
F.
S. Good.
Ick.
What about this one?
Ick.
What's this one?
Ick.
Okay, we'll put on that. What's this one? Ow. Good. Hang on, we're almost done. What's this one?
D.
Z. Yep. How about this one?
F.
F. How about this one? What does Mommy have?
O.
Yes. What does Mommy have?
C.
Yes. How about what else do we have? How about this one?
P.
P. How about this one?
D.
D. How about this one?
X.
X. How about this one?
M.
M. How about this one?
D.
J. How about this one?
Right.
What's this one?
Right.
Oh, this one, V. Can you say V?
V.
V. How about this one?
R.
Good girl. How about this one?
T.
Yes. How about this one?
E.
Yes. Daphne does a good job. Mommy said, I love you. What do you say?
I love you.
Thank you.